Din hija l-podda numru 486 fis-sensiela ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Fil-podda tal-lum se nisimgħu minn Franz il-Ħamallu, il-grupp bla titlu, 215 Collective u Simon Sammut. U biex nibdew illum din minn Bark Bark Disco.
She said I've gotta wait to make it tonight. I'm not gonna wait, I'm gonna eat another steak to make it right. She said it's gonna wait and take it tonight. I'm not gonna wait, go and pick another date to make it right. Honey, I love you now. Honey, I love you now. Honey, I love you now. Honey, I love you for tonight. She said it's gonna wait, make it tonight. I'm not gonna wait, you could be a playmate to make you feel right. Honey, I love you now. 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 Honey, I love you for tonight. She said it's gonna wait. Maybe she might. I'm not gonna wait, gonna get the checkmate. Let's leave it right. She said it's gonna wait. Maybe July. I'm not gonna wait, looking for a clean slate. You can go and masturbate. Honey, I love you now. 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 Honey, I love you for tonight.
Honey, I Love You Now minn Bark Bark Disco tlaqana għal-podda toħra f-sensila ta' mużika mod ieħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Dan hija numru 486 f'din is-sensiela u sibu id-dettalji dwar il-poddata tal-lum kif ukoll il-poddati l-oħra kollha f'din is-sensiela permezz tal-website personali tiegħi li sibuha fuq tonysant.com. Illum għandna tliet siltiet hip-hop wara xulxin, l-ewwel waħda hija r-ritorn ta' François Bibi, Franz il-Ħamallu. Is-silta tiegħu adattata ferm għal propju il-ġurnata meta qed toħroġ din il-poddata l-ewwel darba, ġifieri dakinhar ta' l-elezzjoni ġenerali tal-2017 fit-3 ta' Ġunju minn Franz il-Ħamallu. Dan huwa President Franz.
Ewres, François Bibi, iwa l-MC, reġa ġilura u hekk men kont irtirajt imma kelli bżonn naqla xi ħaġa minn fuq l-istonkuras. Wara ġejja walik. Yeah. Bum il-bib onġi onġella, tan diġen mux ħatkejlu bir-rutella. Mela ħabib tijaj ħalli najlek kemtej, għax Franzi ti klerfu ma jitolbok xej. Men, waqa il-gvern, waqa eżat ma tax return u dali ġenni dej se jibatni l-infern. Korruzzjoni, ommi ma, kulħadd jaxxi fil-Panama. Joseph Muscat sun 4 antikwat biex imexxi dal-pajjiż irid ikun fistat waqt li Simon Busutili sudoj tal-Happy Meal. Għandu dak l-istili li qassi waslek mil u Konrad Mizzi, king tal-pastizzi, pizzi għanna, bl-ignoranza l-għanna, aħna blajna kanna, Peppi Jazzo Pardi, isu l-oħxon tal-Orient Hardi, nixrob il-Bakardi waqt li najjar dawn il-faldi, għax François Bibi irrit il-ġustizja, qabel jispiċċa fħal Defni Galizja, jitnejku bina fuq it-TV, juruna xi ministru illi isu sormi, skandlu wara liħoru nibqaw nivvotaw, imma issa għaw Franz u ħajjifqa kull maw. Franz for president, iwa fil-moment, jiena l-istrument li ħajamlek kuntent. Franz fil-parlament, jekk m'għandekx 1 cent, Iwa fil-prezent jien ħanamlek kuntent. Nitbal mal-mos u naħdem għat-tax biex nifranka l-flus ninħassel bil-lax. Tant għandi jaks flok email nuża fax. Ara ġej Franz, ara ġej mill-bot. Hemm x'għandu fidu qed jaħraq il-vot jew inkella stieħbi arem. Jafem nivvota lil Zaren. Ikont beda jolla meta nuża l-heater. Allura mort il-ħabs għax babast il-meter. Waqt li huma ġollu kanda jiena kienet tinsiġe. Meta naqbdu l-mike Franz huwa teacher. Iwa nixxalaw. Meta dal-pajjiż huwa mmexxi mill-babaw. Imma issa hawn Franz li ġie mill-futur. F'dinja black and white biex jitija il-kulur. Xeba wedit competition għal-voti. Kollox jintnesa bħal paridej sodi. Poplu uminem u wara dan il-ġennax qabel tara sormo kinti għatmu ħassib kien. Sempliċiment ejja minnem minn faqqa dawn ir-rimi isni kont Eminem. Minn ma ħabib tijaj Iwa Franz Alien. Franz for president Iwa fil-moment. Jiena l-istrument li ħajamlek kuntent. Franz fil-parlament jekk m'għandekx 1 cent. Iwa fil-prezent jien ħanamlek kuntent. Franz for president Iwa fil-moment. Jiena l-istrument li ħajamlek kuntent. Franz fil-parlament jekk m'għandekx 1 cent. Iwa fil-prezent jien ħanamlek kuntent.
Franz il-ħamallu hemmhekk jipprova jagħmilha għall-President. Naddu għal aktar hip-hop bil-Malti, però din id-darba forsi mhux daqshekk umoristiku. Minant diversi rappers din id-darba li naqdu flimkien f'dan il-proġett bla titlu, is-silta jisimha Misericordja.
Dawk qalhom nannu iftet qabel ħallini. Għamilt rasi xorta sfidajtu u billi ħabbejtu xorta dizappuntajtu. Għamilt ċirku komplut u rġaġitura li kien qalli. Flixku whisky f'moħħi u dija depressanti. Ħafna kienu l-izbwali u oskuri il-memori. Niprofa ninsa Emili billi naqbes il-folji biex damat jinżlu ġaġru maħux bejja. Kull Novembru la dollarata n-immaġinaka daħdejja. Nqabbat sigaret niprofa ntaffi solitudni. Il-kassa tal-qabar tikkonferma li dawk id-dubi. Nand id-darba ħanobdika x'qiegħed xott mill-iskużi. Għaddi li kelma mal-mullej naħlef li mmud bunuri.
Nixtieq li nkun naf xi żomm il-futur li kieku nista' le ma mmurx lura żgur. Aħfir li jekk jien weġġajtek bil-kliem. Dan kien bis proċess bis sirt naf jien min jien.
Ftikri battu sirt messaġġ ktibt jien emmin kollox gravi mhux fil-paċi sirna straġi li mħabbaw u speċjali ħeq imma taf xi tħoss meta tifqal moħħ ma li tħobb u l-oppost jiġi bibżob bħalek ngħid illi spiċċajt iffissajt bħaġa waħda malla tlajt u l-gost kompla meta rajt illi bqajt f'moħħa xorta mod konkret ngħid illi bqajt bla risposta indisposta f'moħħa dejjem minsiba. Kulħadd sar jaf il-rida wasal f'dak il-punt fejn konċert il-nġiba imma b'diżappunt jimmerrejt il-min qalli marida. Inti kom raġun għax moħ miġnun trid tkun biex ta' 23 sena ma tafx tweġiba. Ma rridx inkomplila għażel l-aħjar minni provi fimni għax billi nirrispetta l-kulħadd lilek xorta niżlek mal-lista tal-ħab.
Nixtieq li nkun naf xi żomm il-futur li kieku nista' le ma mmurx lura żgur. Aħfir li jekk jien weġġajtek bil-kliem. Dan kien bis proċess bis sirt naf jien min jien. Bil-pista d-dinja fuq spalti nissakkar waħdi f'kamarti. Għalfejn dal-ħitanet jenalqu flimkien moħħi qed inħossu waqaf jaħdem jien min jien. Is-solitudni bħal paġna vojta fi ktieb bħal ħajja ta' kull kittieb bħal insinħelu f'giddieb għax għandi dubji. Homonomi li l-istess ġabu di triq ta' suċċess issa li lest il-progress għax aħna rari f'qalbna nġorru bijomi prerogattiva l-opzjoni mhux għażla biss li ikoni. Jiddispjaċini li f'demmi jiġru dar-rimi b'ġenu flissjoni nesprimi rispett lejn lingwi antiki.
Misericordja hemmhekk mela bil-proġett bla titlu. U forsi hawnhekk ikun tajjeb ukoll il-infakarkom fir-rabta li għandna mal-Malta Music Memory Project li sibu fuq m3p.com.mt dan qed insemmihulkom għal fatt li fuq pereżempju sibu aktar dettalji dwar dan il-proġett kif ukoll dwar il-hip hop bil-Malti, l-M3P, il-Malta Music Memory Project mingħand il-Malta Media Memory Preservation huwa proġett li bija aħna nipprovaw nżommu l-memorji ta' dak li għaddej bħalissa biex meta il-preżent isir il-passat, ġifieri fil-futur aħna nibqgħu niftakru xi ħaġa minn dak li nkunu għaddejna minnu. Mela, silta oħra issa l-hip hop din darba mhux bil-Malti, l-215 Collective li huma Eddie Fresco, Caro u Yannick il-ġdida tagħhom jisimha Feel About It.
All my beats tailored by Joe.
How they feel about it, making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel about it. Making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel
back
about
once
it.
again on my cocky shit. Back once again, oozing confidence. Damn, it's common sense that we common threats, and we setting trends while we sending ends. 215 with the mindset, finna make it right, let my mind rest. All this pressure on me make your bones crack. I ain't talking cheap when I finna snap. Burden on my back like a jet, I can deal with that. Blow my cap, then you call a cab, I ain't calling back. Put that on my tab, pop tags, do the park dance. Face facts, men loud, woman loud, but not stats. And we can go binary if we talking about numbers, cause all the ones turn to zeros, but we the ones that don't crumble. And we the kings of the castle, we put the royal in rumble. We resurrected the scene, so it's like, fuck being humble, okay?
How they feel about it, making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel about it. Making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it.
Okay, now hold up, I just gotta say it, like take a second, just hear me out. Recording tracks for about a year and it's still stuff that I'm finding out. And if you think that it stops here, then you sit down and you think again. Home recorded, still got applauded, made #2 in that top 10. Shout out to everyone supporting, like real talk, man, it means a lot. 215 on the fucking rise and we all down to give it all we got. All down to give it all we got, yeah, we all down to give it all we got. Believe the hype of that 215, cause we coming up and we taking spots. Push the bar, lift my country up in a way I swear nobody's ever done. High hopes in my right hand, I'ma get in gear and I'ma fucking run. All you other rappers like dying fish, like no offense, all we do is flop. Keep it up when you chew gum, it's the only time you're ever gonna pop. Electro flow cause it's light work, take everything that I came for. Nothing less than what I expect's gonna fit the targets I aim for. Been so long but I still push, knocking onto that same door. Head high but my feet low, still walking onto that same floor.
How they feel about it, making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel about it. Making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it. Do the most, 3 numbers shaking up the coast. Drop a couple tunes, they career just turning ghosts. Ever since we did it, they just started taking notes. Wind a week off and they asking on a dose. Doing too much, I ain't never seen them hating. Sticking to the plan, yo, been sticking to the faking. Really with the wrist, took a shot and never miss. Talking by the script, so I had to keep them waiting. Oh, damn, coming up, no replacing. GOAT in the making, it's all the paper we chasing. No competition, written shit for all the riches we facing. A couple months and I'ma show you how it's mine for the taking. No waking up and doing better than the rest. #2, we doing better than the next guy. Keep them coming when they ever tryna ask why. Tell them I ain't really do it just to get by. How they feel about it, making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel about it. Making moves, how we do, how they feel about it. Been the realest out the room, how they feel about it. Put these rappers in their tomb, how they feel about it, how they feel about it, how they feel about it.
Feel About It emmek mela minant il-215 Collective. U tajem najdilkom u koll li dik il-website li semmejtilkom fil-bidu tal-poddata jiġifieri tonysand.com hemm fiha mod mill-aktar faċli kif tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi nunu biex dejjem nisma' minantkom semmija u segwaċi ta' din is-sensiela ta' poddati. Tistgħu wkoll issibuni permezz tal-Facebook, l-Instagram, il-YouTube fejn toħroġ edizzjoni video ta' din il-poddata u anke modi oħra insomma huwa faċli ferm biex tagħmlu kuntatt miegħi jekk tixtiequ tagħmlu dan il-mod preferiti u permezz ta' tonysand.com. U għall-aħħar silta tal-lum, sambidlu l-istil kompletament, samorru għal xi ħaġa minn album li għadu kemm ħareġ issa ftit tal-ġurnatilu propju f'Mejju ta' l-2017 binant Simon Sammut. L-album jismu Crossing, is-silta li se nisimgħu minnu jisimha Be the Change.
I think one should be aware of what is happening in the world and not be depressed by it or optimistic or pessimistic. To observe impartially, dispassionately what is actually going on. Technologically, the Far East is gaining more and more rapidly, advancing more than the Western countries, probably. And the economic situation throughout the world is very shaky, uncertain. Socially, there's a great deal of confusion, uncertainty. And religion throughout the world have played very little part in our daily life. They've lost actually their meaning altogether. Though the organization, religious organizations, maintain status quo, talking about superficial things, not fundamental realities of life. Be concerned with what is happening to man. What can we do in this world? What can we do in this world? In asking this question, what are we to do in this mad world which is becoming more and more insane, more and more violent, appalling things are happening of which we don't know. what is going to happen to man in the future.
U bassilta Be The Change mill-album ġdid li jismu Crossing minn Simon Samut, għana ġena f'tmim tal-poddata tal-lum ukoll f'sensiela ta' mużika motiħor flimkien miegħi Tony Sant. Qabel nħallikom fakarkom bħal dejjem li d-dettalji u l-kuntatt huma permezz ta' tonysant.com. U sa ma nerġa' niltaqgħu darb'oħra, jiena minn qalbi nawguralkom is-saħħa.